Welcome back to the channel. In 2025, businesses need real-time engagement tools that build relationships and drive conversions. Intercom is one of the top choices for live chat and customer engagement. Let's break it down. Intercom combines live chat, bots, and customer messaging in one platform. You can automate responses, segment audiences, and deliver personalized interactions across websites, apps, and emails. Its analytics and integration capabilities help teams understand customer behavior, improve support, and increase engagement sales. Intercom makes connecting with customers simple, fast, and personalized. If you want a powerful live chat and engagement solution in 2025, Intercom gives you control, insight, and smarter interactions. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more reviews.